Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. They are compounds, generally harmless to humans in moderate amounts. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as carbonate, carbonate, nate, carbonate. Carbonate is a composition of individual words. Carbon refers to the element carbon, and ate indicates it's a salt or ester of carbonic acid. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about carbonate, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.